In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slider in the Shopify Dawn theme. This is a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your online store by showcasing multiple images or promotional banners. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Begin at your Shopify homepage, where all the magic happens. From this main dashboard, you want to look to the left-hand corner and click on Online Store. This will navigate you to a series of options within your store settings. Once here, you'll find yourself directed to the Themes section. This is where all your site's design elements and customizations live. Now, for our demonstration, we'll be working with the Dawn theme, Shopify's free and highly customizable theme that's often recommended for its sleek and modern look. Once you're in the Themes section, locate the Dawn theme. You'll see a button labeled Customize, and that's exactly what we want to explore further. Click on Customize, and this will allow you to delve into the theme's editing options. In the Customization panel on the left side, locate the option labeled Template. From there, proceed to click Add Section. This feature gives you a variety of elements you can add to your page, but for this guide, focus on the search bar and type in Slideshow. Once you spot this option, go ahead and click on it. What happens next is quite exciting. You'll see a fresh page appear within your home page setup. This new section is where your slideshow will take stage. Click on the section, and immediately you'll notice more options pop up on the right side of your screen. Here, the goal is to select images to populate your slideshow. You'll find an option that says Select, guiding you to choose images either by uploading them from your computer or selecting from images you might have already uploaded in your Shopify library. This step gives you the creative freedom to decide which visuals best represent your brand's message or promotions you wish to highlight. Now, if you find yourself wanting to add more images to this slideshow, it's really simple. Just navigate back to the left part of the screen and click on the Slide Image Slide option. You can repeat the process of adding and selecting images as many times as desired until your slideshow is fully equipped to grab your visitors' attention. And there you have it. That's the complete process of adding a slider to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. It's a relatively straightforward process designed to enhance the aesthetic and functionality of your site. I hope this guide has been helpful, and now you can go ahead and make your Shopify store even more engaging and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.